Okay, so now we're going to use a specific Google gadget to help us embed Flash activities that we find on the website. One of the great things of having a class website is you can link students to online learning activities, and there's a lot of them on the web. So an example of one I found about cells here, where a student can view and interact with a cell and do all sorts of things here. They can zoom in on it and gives them info, click on the different things, and whatnot. So I might say, I like this. I want to actually put this on my website. So what I'll do is I'll copy the link, go back to my website, and I need to use a Google gadget that will actually embed our Flash for us, since that is what that was. It was a Flash player. When you see SWF at the end, that means it's a special interactive web format called Flash. Okay, so that's a shockwave Flash file. Okay, majority of interactive stuff you find on the web will be SWF. So if you find that it says SWF in the end, then you'll be able to use it using this technique. So let's go to Insert, go down to Gadgets, and we're going to search for a specific gadget I want you to search for. Okay, so what I want you to do in the search bar is type Flash container and hit search, and your Flash player is going to show up here. It's called Flash Player URL Container. And so when you click on that, you'll hit select. It gives you a little preview of what the gadget is. You'll hit select. Okay, and so now you're going to set it up. So URL 1 just means link 1 to the first activity you want to display on this page. So I'll hit paste, and I'm pasting that link to this cell structure activity that I like. I'm pasting it into my URL, and I'll hit OK, and now it should load. It loaded the container into my website. So I'll hit save, check it out, and there you go. The activity is embedded on my web page, so a student can do it right there through your own website. Or you could just click a link to that activity if you don't like the way it displays on your website, but this is kind of nice to be able to have all these features embedded on your web page. So that's how you embed a Flash. Let's say we want to play around with properties. We come back, we click our gadget, click on properties, and let's see what types of features it has. Display, that was really small, wasn't it? So let's see if I can make it bigger. Maybe we could do maybe 500 by 500. We'll see if that makes it bigger. Make sure this is on pixels. Okay, I'll hit OK. Save. There, now our Flash activity got a little bit bigger, so it's easier for the student to use it. Okay. So what I'd like you to do is go find a Flash that you would like and embed it on your web page. And you might be thinking, I don't know how to find a Flash. Well, a cool tip that you can do when you go to Google is do this little technique. Type in file type, and then you can type in the file type right here. SWF stands for Flash, or you can even just say file type Flash, but SWF works better. And you can do that for any file. Let's say you're trying to find PowerPoints. You could put in PPT for PowerPoint, or DOC for a Word document, and then comma, and then I'm going to put ecology. So what this means is Google is going to search for Flash activities or Flash websites, Flash files that relate to ecology. So when I do a Google search, and this shows up. So everything here has something to do with Flash and ecology. Okay, and so I'll click on this, for instance, ecosystems. And cool, now I have an ecosystem activity for made out of Flash, and I could do the same technique we just learned to embed this into my website. So go ahead and find an activity you like and see if you can embed it, and then go on to the next lesson.